Harshita from Hitamita Wellness. Today I am going to talk about OJAS. What is this OJAS? Why it is important? And what is quality of OJAS? And how we can improve the OJAS? OJAS is nothing but a liquid form which is situated in our heart, having color like ghee, yellowish white, which also smells like fried paddy and tastes like honey, which is sweet. Now, what does this OJAS do? OJAS is the one which helps us to prevent us from the diseases. It maintains the healthy life. Also, it gives us the energy to live. No human being is alive without OJAS. The quality of OJAS is very important. The food we take and the lifestyle we follow makes the OJAS. It's the fluid which nourishes the embryo. The main point here to observe is that our immunity power is also depending on the quality of OJAS we have in our body. What are the things can make this Ojokshaya or the depletion in the OJAS? Maybe the very spicy food, the wrong diet what we follow, very cold or very hot food, or maybe the extreme exercise, some of the Kshara medicines what we take for the long time, that can also deplete the OJAS. Now, how you will come to know if your OJAS is depleting? There are few symptoms and signs our body will express when your Ojokshaya or the OJAS is decreasing. That is like loss of complexion, dark circles, it may be the loss of energy, weakness, tiredness, fatigue, not feeling like having good food, no hunger, no appetite, loss of the interest to do the work, dryness, emaciation, roughness of the body, depression, mood swings, all these is the symptom of Ojokshaya. You will have a question that how we can improve this OJAS. The main thing, concentrate on your digestion. If your Agni is low, then your OJAS is low because it cannot digest the food what you are taking. Right? So you can include some spices, Indian spices in your food. Also, the heavy to digest food that can also cause the ama or the undigested particles in our body. That can lead to the low quality of OJAS. You can do a good sort of exercise, yoga, pranayama, breathing exercise. Go out for the fresh air, take good sunlight, be active, try to be more motivated, positive thoughts. Don't get into the depressed things. I understand that sometimes we get depressed, but try to manage it with a good lifestyle. And some of the medicines also can help you to come out from the negative thoughts. Also, if your digestion is not good, first you have to correct your digestion, improve your Agni so that it will improve your Bala and the immunity as well. All these are the points where you can focus on improving the quality of OJAS. As I mentioned, few of the Ayurvedic medicines also helps to improve OJAS, but do not self-medicate. Contact an Ayurvedic doctor and then you start the medicines. Maybe like Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Brahmi, Rasayana Aushadhis like Chavanprasha, or there are Guduchi, Amla, Triphala, all these can help you to improve your OJAS. Coming to the main point, that is ghee, Ghrita, which is like a medicine for everything in Ayurveda. Ghee is very important food in a daily routine, daily life. They say that many say that ghee can make you to put on weight, but no. If you take ghee in a right quantity and a right proportion, it will enhance your immunity power, it will enhance your digestion capacity, improves your Agni, and it helps you to nourish your body. This misunderstanding regarding the ghee, you have to just remove it from your mind that ghee can make you to put on weight. No, ghee is a fantastic food to, when you use it in a right way, to improve your OJAS and the immunity as well as your overall energy and to get rid of fatigue or some sort of pain as well. We believe that OJAS is situated in the heart and spreads through all over the body. It helps to nourish the body, maintain our health, and without OJAS, we cannot live. This is the main thing we have to note and try to improve the quality of OJAS. Live happily, stay healthy.